and girls, I'm back for lesson 10.2 when we looked at picture graphs. This is kind of a fun one for boys and girls, but I will tell you it gets a little tricky in the upper grades. So I wanted to show you how it looks like in second grade and then what you're going to see in third grade or fourth grade. So same thing like your tally graph, I'm going to use that same strategy of how many happy faces do you see for red? I see 3. How many happy faces do you see for blue? I see 5. And then how many do you see for green? 1. So then I don't even have to worry about looking at my picture graph any longer. I can just use these data marks to answer any questions. Here's what you need to know moving forward for third grade. In third grade, you could have that same exact graph like Mrs. Miller had, but what's different is the key. So in this example, each happy face stands for 2. So red does not mean 3 people chose red. It actually means 2 people, 2 people, 2 people. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. And then for blue, it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just like in this graph. But this does not mean 5 because each happy face stands for 2. So you're thinking 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is 10. Another way you can do that is multiply. 2 times 5, 3 times 2. And last but not least, this green, this one happy face doesn't mean one person. The key's telling me that it stands for 2. So it's actually 2 people who chose green. Now in third and fourth grade, you might see this key standing for 2, 5, 10. And sometimes you might see this, where you'll see a half of a happy face. And when that happens, you're thinking half of whatever the key is. So this happy face is not a whole one, so it doesn't stand for 2 people. It's only going to stand for half of 2, and that would equal 1. Just trying to get you ready for what you're going to see in third grade, boys and girls. I hope you had a great lesson on 10.2.